Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today this video is going to be for two challenges. A new one called Designer Deep Dive, and each month we're going to be focusing on a designer and using as much of their product as we can in a layout. I think it was had to be 90%, I could be wrong, but 90% of the layout had to be that designer, I think. And the second challenge I'm doing is for Layout Library, and the theme is winter. So I live in Queensland where we don't really have a winter, well, not like people normally think of a winter. So this layout is not going to look very wintry, but the subject is of a winter thing. So the subject, my photo, is my cat, and it was a bit cool. And I had a little tansy heater on in my office. Excuse the mess of my office, it does need a vacuum. And she came in and plonked herself right in front of the heater, and didn't worry if I got any heat or not, so she was quite content there. And then she would roll over to not quite cradle the heater, but to get her tummy warm, and when that was getting too hot, she'd roll back over this way and face away from the heater, and this kept going on every time I turned the heater on. And if I wanted to move around the office without tripping over her or treading on her, I'd have to close the door. So anyway, that's as far as winter goes for this layout. Alright, now the paper is Vicki Boutin, I believe it's Print Shop. The only Vicki Boutin I have is Print Shop. I have like 4 packets of embellishments and about 6 pieces of paper, and they're all from the same range. So anyway, my enamel dots are not Vicki Boutin, they're Uniquely Creative and Doodlebug Designs. So everything else though is Vicki Boutin. So I've got lots of embellishments there to go on the page. I roughly know where I'm putting everything, so I'm going to speed you up and get on with it. Okay, there is my finished layout. It was really simple to put together. It's just basically gluing down all the embellishments. I had a rough idea what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to include this large journaling square because I have a lot I want to write down here. And yeah, I just basically used all the embellishments from one pack. There's a few odd leaves and stuff left, but that's nearly like a whole pack of embellishments there. I love the banner, a nice little touch. And yeah, there's not much to say except that I'm not really a Vicki Boutin fan. I mean, I think this page is fine, but it's not my usual style because it's really busy and I don't like it so busy. I probably could have dulled down the background a little bit, but it is what it is and it's probably fine. We're all our own worst critics. But there we go. That is today's layout. So that was for Designer Deep Dive Vicki Boutin and Layout Library theme of winter. If you've enjoyed this video and liked this layout, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. If you have any questions at all about anything I've used or any of the hops or challenges that you see me participating in and creating videos for, then comment below and I'm only too happy to point you in the direction where you can join in as well. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.